Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the cruise control feature on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is really easy to set up. Tap the three dots to get to your menu settings, go to Control, scroll all the way down to Button Customization. You can assign cruise control for a single press of the function button. However, just so I don't accidentally engage cruise control, I'm going to put it on the double press option. Here you have a list of all the features you can assign to the function button. We're going to choose cruise control, and once that's assigned, it's time to go fly.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
We're going to start flying forward and then double press the function button to engage the cruise control. You'll see aircraft and cruise control on the display. And to cancel cruise control, you can either press the X on your display or just press the function button again. You can also assign multiple inputs and add additional inputs when engaging cruise control. So here I'm flying left, and I will add in right yaw to the cruise control feature. The drone will remain going in that direction with those stick inputs until you cancel cruise control. So now that you know how to set up and use the cruise control feature on the DJI Mini 4 Pro, go give it a try. You'll find that your cinematic shots are much smoother. If you have any questions, you can put those in the comments. Also be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying.